And we are live. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And this is your boy Wonderluster, and we have Dhruti with us. Today we are reacting to
आवाज करो इस पे बजने का सम्मोहित सैफान फ्रेंजी स्लेज मेरा भाई
Stage.
Stage.
Stage. नया song आया है अपने लोगों का. Our boys have come out with this new song called Stage. So you know the guys from Gully Gang Cypher 1, which we did. So they are coming out with this new song called Stage. They're releasing the album with Gully Gang and Mass Appeal India. So अभी नया ही आया. So guys, make sure to watch their video before you watch our content, or maybe afterwards. I'll link it in the description below. So you should go check their content out once you've watched our video, or maybe you can just go now, pause it, and then come back and watch our reaction, because it's important for the artists to get their views. They've worked hard on it and they deserve it.
So these are all the same guys that were in the first cipher.
Yes and no. Well, you have got Devil in the first cipher, but this is like the Avruti group. So you know there were like 4: Safa and Sammohit, Frenzy, and there was one more. I forgot his name, but there's like 4 people, and their group is called Avruti, and they are in this music video. So they have released that track called Stage. All right, let's not waste any time और चलते हैं सीधा reaction की तरफ. The album's name gonna be Naya Zamana.
Oh, okay.
आवाज करो इस पे बजने का सम्मोहित सैफान फ्रेंजी स्लेज मेरा भाई
Sledge, that's the other guy.
कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बलब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप चल कभी
Pringles or Vada Pav नीचे. Error 404 in the background. So yeah, these are the guys, these 4, and this group is Avruti. So इनका गाना है ये Stage. Right, let's go.
Do they make their own music as well?
Yeah, they do, and they are part of Gully Gang. So I think Gully Gang have signed them, and because Gully Gang and Mass Appeal are both as one, so they're releasing the songs.
Oh,
Which is
nice.
quite cool. Like I like how Gully Gang is bringing out these new lads, and जो पहले लोगों ने इतना सुना नहीं होगा इनको, मैंने नहीं सुना था Gully Gang से पहले इनको, but I've realized they're really good, like really good.
Yeah, I like the beat so far.
You know the beat, it sounds like UK drill, and it's good
Yeah.
to hear like they are bringing the UK drill in India, because I know जब Divine ने मैंने Twitter पे देखा था कि Divine ने किसी का tweet like किया हुआ था, like I have some UK drill beats, if anyone wants hit me up, और Divine ने like किया हुआ था. So I know that these guys will bring that UK drill flavor, because nothing can beat UK drill music. Beat is
Yeah.
amazing. So I think it's quite cool to actually see UK drill type beats. और बहुत like chill vibe लग रही है मुझे already, because they're like
that's
sat
what-
down and everything.
Yeah, that's what I've been thinking. Like recently, with the rap stuff that they have, it seems to be merging into a lot more worldwide
Yeah,
music.
yeah, they're going international. Yeah,
Mm.
it's quite cool. All right, let's hit it.
कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बलब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
That is typical. If you don't know what UK drill type beat is, make sure you listen to some, because that is like the essential what do you call, like a flavor. तो उसमें वो ऐसे होता रहता है ना, that is
It's
like
the
UK
little
drill.
thing.
Yeah.
Little
You
things that
will
you
also if you have listened to Bandana Gang carefully, you will listen to that ऐसे आवाज आती रहती है, and that is like he's getting that UK drill flavor in India, and that is amazing. Like I personally love UK drill music, and it's great to see these guys do it as well. So I think it's like they're catching up with the world as well,
Yeah.
which is amazing.
माइक हाथ में और चढ़ू स्टेज पे ऊपर आते ही होता ब्रेक पे जब 1000 लोग हमें देखते ये था ख्वाब कभी मेरे केस में वो भी इंस्टा पे टैग्स भेज दे देख मैं थी फ्रंट रो पे लाल ड्रेस में चल अभी आया नहीं कवर पेज पे क्योंकि होगा नहीं कवर पेज में जो जज्बात
Hey, look at that. Look at that on the fridge.
So good.
That is divine.
Yeah.
That's a sick art. I've never seen it before. Like, pata nahi mere ko ye why is it not out there? Like the art on Instagram or anything. I've like searched for Divine's art, but it's not there. It's cool, right?
Mhm. They've got Pringles and thumbs up there too.
Yeah, and he's got Red Bull in his hand. Oh, thumbs up is amazing. Thumbs up यहाँ पे मिलने लग गया ना, that's it. UK is gonna go crazy. All right, let's hit it.
फेंके हम कलम आग फेंकती है गर्मी में भीड़ खाली आग सेकती है शहरों में जाके करे गाने लिखे घर पे जो जीजी साइफर से आवाज कर दिए लोग कूदते ना सिर्फ सुने बीट पे कहानी ध्यान सीधा सामने और कुछ भी पता नहीं गाना बजा पहला और जान गए दर्शक ये नया है जमाना बाकी सब कुछ जारी कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान
That's me, like, you know, कहीं पे भी जाओ पहले खाना क्या है? like burger. पहले वो उठा लिया, start eating. Look at Frenzy's face. The music till now is amazing. बहुत must, like their bars as well, what they're spitting makes sense as well lyrically.
Yeah.
I love it so far.
करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप चल कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप चल चल
It's like casual, isn't it?
फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
स्टेज पे उस साथ में तू हाथ दिखाया पे है जोश कितना भीड़ में ओ बस दिखे आग में होता शो खत्म वो बोले तू आगे अलग अंदाज तू खेलता आवाज से ना जाने मन ये है मेहनत फुल जान से बोले जो भी लगे मुझे दिल पे सब शान से सभी बातें सीधा बोले टेढ़ी ना चाल है सीधी बातें अवाम है कभी खुद को कुछ पढ़ने ना दिया खाली जलता बल्ब कभी सड़ने ना दिया मुझसे चलता तू अब चल गलने ना दिया मुझसे बनता अलग लेकिन बढ़ता मैं गया ये जनता से दिल लगा धन्या हो गया दिया सब समय अपना ना घंटा कुछ दिया कभी शौक में तली का आज धंधा हो गया AK-47 फ्लो सब छल्ली हो गया
कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
Like they get everyone to go on stage.
Yeah, it's like oh, that's it.
They're in the green room.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense now. Yeah, so they're actually like as if they're ready to go on stage.
Yeah, because
Okay.
now he's setting up his mic and earpiece.
Makes sense. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's the theme. It was
Mm.
all about the backstage to go on stage. Wow, that's cool.
Do you think so? You know D Evil's hat. So I've noticed a lot of them are wearing those hats.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So
know.
do you think that's going to become like a fashion thing in India?
yeah, maybe. I personally don't like them. I like my snapbacks and all that stuff. So.
Yeah.
Probably not. It depends on people. And oh, by the way, a cool fact about D Evil does a lot of doodles, and there's a page on Instagram, so you guys
Oh,
should
really?
check it out. He's amazing at it. He's amazing. I think it's called Mr. Doodlekar on Instagram, and it's amazing. But anyway, random fact. It's cool.
कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
Frenzy.
ਗਰਮਾ ਗਰਮੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੈਂਗ ਚੜੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੀ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਫੀਲ ਕਰ ਕਦੇ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਖਲਾਰੇ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਚਾਰ ਕੋਣਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਪਵਾੜੇ चलो फिर शुरू करें अपना कुछ मकसद है चार सीढ़ी ऊपर शोर दस्तक है आने से पहले दे गिनती बस दस्तक है किल करे स्टेज मिला टाइम मुझे जब तक है हमेशा लोडेड तू खड़ा कर किथे भी क्राउड जिन्ना मर्जी गा पैना जरूरी मिले प्यार काफी कर दे शो जिथे भी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ही करके आज खड़े आ पाए थे ही छोटे मोटे दावे ना है सीधा करे बीट ड्रॉप हाथ सीधा खड़े करो जो भी सुने हिप हॉप साथ में आवाज करो साथ में मिजाज रखो साथ में दिमाग रखो कपड़े भी टिप टॉप
कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बल्ब जल गया ढीले कपड़े अब पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप चल कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि
I big ups to this guy, Explicit, for the beat. It's amazing. It's sick beat. He is the one who's actually brought that flavor, whatever we were talking about the UK drill. So
Is that him
Amazing.
in the red jacket?
that's what I'm thinking. Is it him or not? Because I haven't seen him. What he looks like, Explicit. I know what Stunner looks like because Stunner's working with Divine quite a lot on the album as well. So
Hmm.
So I don't know what Explicit actually looks like. Probably it's him. You know, Explicit, he actually complimented us for our
Mhm.
Bandana Gang because Explicit gave the beats to Bandana Gang. So Explicit with the he, yeah, and Ritwik, I think his name is, and he complimented us for our Bandana Gang reaction video. So yeah, he's actually the guy in this music video as well. I'm guessing.
Well, I'm
Pretty
gonna
decent,
say
right?
the
Pretty
beats
dope.
for this one,
Yeah.
I
Beat is
think,
sick,
are on
man.
spot.
Beat is sick. Yeah. All right, let's continue. Well, the other thing I was going to mention is, you know, the frames in the background as well. They've given like attention to detail. These
Yeah.
guys have, and you've got like Nas, Kohinoor album cover. Then you've got
Mhm.
the Shutdown EP cover as well.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
Did you notice on his laptops, most probably Apple, that he's got a Gully Gang logo
Yeah, I did.
covering?
Yeah, yeah. When he was sat there, yeah, it was like the Gully Gang logo on the Apple one.
Do they sell
Yeah.
those on their merchandise website? Oh my
I
god,
don't
I
know.
want that.
That's the thing. I kept telling like JD when he came live as well. Like, guys, we need shipping in the UK. Like, I want to order stuff, man. I can't order anything from Gully Gang unless and until I go India. So yeah,
Yeah.
can't wait for the merch as well. But yeah, let's continue.
गया ढीले कपड़े या पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
Yeah, you are
कभी
correct.
नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं
They're
खाली
getting
बुद्धि
ready
का
to
जला बलब जल गया
go on stage.
ढीले कपड़े या पहचान पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप चल चल कभी नहीं पड़ा फर्क कभी नहीं खाली बुद्धि का जला बलब जल
जला
गया
बलब।
ढीले कपड़े या पहचान
पहचान।
पहचान करे स्टेज से जो वार्तालाप
वार्तालाप.
जमाना
Words,
नया
man.
हमें कहते यहाँ जमाना नया हमें कहते यहाँ जमाना नया.
And this is the other guy, like JD does all that editing. This is the guy who does a lot of photos and videos for Gully Gang, shot by Chang. That's why I know his name on the Gully Gang handle on Instagram.
कौन आ गया जमाना नया हमें कहते यहाँ आवृत्ति.
Hang on. Avruti Naya Zamana album launch set list. Ooh, Naya Zamana stage. So they've released stage. Error 404.
They had that on the wall in
Yeah.
neon.
Error 404. Yeah. They did actually. Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. Like these guys are paying attention to detail. Show director Mohit Mukhi Glitch. Gully Gang Entertainment. That's it. That's the list. That's like the Easter egg they dropped in at the end. To be continued.
Did you notice
Okay.
one thing about the way it was shot? It's all done in one shot, the whole video, whole 4 minutes.
And that as well.
And I literally love those type of videos. Every time I see a scene in a movie or like a song. So you know how this is shot in one guy? Did you notice in like Sushant's song in Dil Bechara, the first one?
Yeah.
That's all shot in one guy.
I actually didn't. But
I actually lived for this
yeah,
stuff.
like now looking back,
Yeah.
okay, this was pretty sick, you know. Like these
Yeah.
guys have done a pretty good job.
And like everything in the background was perfect. What they're doing, like no like overacting or anything.
Yeah.
It was so good. So good.
That's it. Yeah, you have to be casual when you're doing these things. And एक mistake तुम्हें पूरा video पूरा वापस करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, that was good. That was really good. The way it was shot. Because you need to also look at the reflections. Otherwise, you will be like, you know, the guy filming and then शायद fridge के दरवाजे पे अपना ही reflection आ गया है, shoot कर रहा है. No, nothing happened like that.
Even in sunglasses.
Even in sunglasses as well. Wow, it was amazing. Yeah. So guys, yeah, make sure you check these guys out. That's why I purposely wanted to do a reaction video on these four, because you know it's good to support our own homegrown artists sometimes, rather than like people are already now in the mainstream. These guys are not really in the mainstream. Like पूरे इंडिया को तो नहीं पता ये लोग कौन है अभी तक. So let's do our bit and इनको फैलाओ, मस्के माफिक फैला दो सबको. So yeah, these guys are doing very good at the moment. And I love them.
Watch their videos and obviously
support them wherever you can.
Support them.
Okay, that's it from us, guys. Stay tuned.
We will see you next time.
Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Subscribe karo yaar. Subscribe karo. 1000 subscribes chahiye mujhe kuch bhi karke. Is it too much?
And yes, we are trying to deliver you some really good content, and stuff that is not known. So please keep liking and
Like
sharing.
like it, smash that like button. 100 likes चाहिए ये वीडियो पे. कुछ भी करो, like कर दो.
Everything.
Yeah, and subscribe, man. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.